Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 18th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, today is Good Friday, which is a big holiday for most people, and because of that, gold is not open today. Now, the other Forex pairs are open, but indices and commodities and things like that, like gold, are definitely closed today. So that's unfortunate for gold traders, I guess, but it is Good Friday and it is Easter this weekend, so I hope everybody enjoys their friends and family and has a great holiday. Now, as far as gold is concerned, when it opens back up, it does look like it could possibly have already made an ABC right here. We definitely did make a three-wave looking pattern down to a Fibonacci level. The trend is very, very heavily up on all the higher time frames. So I definitely would still be suggesting longs when the market does open. There's really nothing stopping this from continuing up. And if we go to the much higher time frames, like all the way up to the monthly, my next big area of resistance on gold is actually $3,450, which is still quite a ways up from where we're at now, or at least $100 from where we're at now. So I would definitely highly suggest continuing to look for logs. Even if it does turn into more of like a complex pattern like this, I would definitely still be looking for logs in an uptrend because this is a very strong uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.